Hello and welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change two-factor authentication method on LinkedIn. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. We are going to click on our profile picture. We are going to say settings and privacy. And here we're going to go to data and security. Then we're going to select two-factor authentication. And here simply we're going to say change verification method. And now we're going to move from SMS to an authenticator app. We're going to click continue. Here we need to enter our password. We need to submit. And now all we have to do is to scan this QR code with our authentication app. So personally, I use a Google Authenticator. Personally, I use the Google Authenticator. I think it's the best authentication app. Now, that's it. So now we have our two-factor. What we need to do is to continue. And now here we need to put the 6-digit code from our authenticator app just to verify that everything is working fine. So I'm just going to do that. We're going to say verify. And that's it. Now we change the two-factor authentication on LinkedIn from SMS to an authenticator app, which is a lot more convenient and a lot more handy. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, you can find links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.